What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, I'll show you step by step on how to draw Charlie Brown. Let's begin today's lesson along the top center of our page with the nose. We're going to start at the very top, we're going to draw a backward C, going all the way around the right side, and then back out on the left. And then from the nose, we're going to move out towards the side and draw two small black circles for the eyes. And then we'll add a bracket along the outside, starting on the left, going around the eye, and then in. Let's add the eyebrows along the top with a short curve going up and in. Now in the center of the forehead, we're going to add a swirl for the hair. Let's start on top of the left eye, come down in the middle. I'm just going to swirl this around, go back out towards the right, go up and hook that in. Now let's move down and give our character a large smile. Let's start on the left side, bend the mouth, coming down, across the middle, and then up on the right. Now we want to surround the face with a large circle for the head with an open gap on the left side. So let's start out here, we go up, come in towards the middle, go all the way around, and then down on the right. Now it's going to work our way across the bottom of the head. Come down, around at the chin, go out, and again leaving a gap on the left side. Just place the ear inside that gap, going out and then in. Now on the right side, we draw that same half circle going the opposite direction in behind the head. In the center of the head, let's draw two straight angled lines coming down the side of the neck. So start the left coming down, then on the right, come down and in towards the center point. Let's add that thick shadow across the top of the neck. So we're going to step down, add a curve, and we'll darken up the top. Now let's place the color along the side. From the bottom of the neck, bend this up and then out. Bend this down, and then hook that up on the inside. And then just underneath the collar, let's draw the side of the body coming all the way down towards the bottom of the shorts. So on the left side, we're going to step down, bend this out, and come all the way down towards the bottom. Let's go to the right side and do the same thing. Bend this out, and come down towards the same height. Now round at the bottom of the shorts and just pull that up towards the center point. So come down on the left, and then up in the middle, come down, and then back up. From the bottom of the shorts, let's step up, draw a straight line going across the shirt. Let's add that zigzag pattern across the body. We're going to start on the left side, come down, and then back up. I'm just going to repeat this all the way across towards the right side. Now I'm going to trace those lines along the top. Go down and then up. Now we move to the outside of the collar. We're going to bend the arm going out and then down. And then draw a straight line coming in across the bottom of the sleeves. Now we want to tuck the arms in behind the body. From the bottom corner of the sleeves, step in, bend the arms, coming down and then in towards the side of the body. Let's go back to that center point and draw a straight line coming down along the inside of the legs. And then you want to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start with the left side. We're going to come down and then up. Let's round out the toe, pull this up and then into right about there. And we'll curve the ankle coming down and then up toward that center line. Now I want to place the laces on top of the feet. So just up above the foot, then it's in and then down. Go out and do that again. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now I want to angle the legs going up underneath the shorts. We go up and then in. Do the same thing on the right. Let's add a curve for the top edge of the socks, going across toward the middle. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Charlie Brown. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.